Martin Dlamini.
Honorable Prime Minister, siyabonga ukuthi sibe khona namuhla, sibonge nebandla lakho lesihloniphe, sibonge ne-policy statement loyithulile itolo, seeking to answer quite a lot of the questions that we have as a nation. I have a couple of questions, but I think first things first, your government is creating high expectations, especially reading from your policy statement and statements prior to the one you delivered yesterday. We are at a juncture as a Yemaswati in our lives, taking from Sibaya, where actions speak louder than words. You mentioned in Zabaya ACC, and you applauded for these arrests that have taken place. Unfortunately, I don't share the view that they are doing a good job, because the arrests that we should be seeing are not the ones we are seeing. It's the small fry, not the big fish. What is your view on that? The other high expectation that has been created is the promise of excellence with regards to turnaround times in terms of service delivery. We are continuously disappointed, Your Excellency, to see lack of planning and execution. Kuyathiwa sitavula isikolo, tivule isikolo kube ngathi uhulumeni ujele itolo kuthi kufuna kumixwe kudla, kufuna kubhadale bo-FPE. Wendani ngaloko Dunankulu? Kwesithathu, indzaba ye-performance management systems and all these other systems that are being put in place have been put in place before. What are you going to do differently? Because the culture has been bayapanishwa bonke abancane labala ngaphasi. Nase kufuna kupanishwa kwamakhulukazi. Sekubalekwa nensambo. Yini lungasitshela yona namuhla mhlonishwa? Letase naziphumela sibe nalithemba ukuthi lo sekunawe nyalo. This will change. Mhlonishwa, sibuye esibayeni. Bengwe philosophy and declaration ya Mlisa outlined about 4 areas which it regarded as a crisis: unemployment, corruption, health, and the judiciary. Its success at the ACC also hinges on the performance of the judiciary. Right now, where I'm sitting, I have no confidence in the judiciary, because Emarkala are taking years to be resolved. My judgments are taking long. Shortage of this, shortage of this, shortage of this. The priority yalongoya iyetawubonakala yini nithi itawubonakala njani mhlonishwa in the next few days or months? Siyayiva i-grand plan ukuthi iyeta next year kukhashana. I understand that these things are changing the systems within government, and it may take a while. Fair enough. And what's my short-term plans that will follow very soon, with ministries doing their strategic plans, all well and good. Sikelema time frames last sooner kulama ministries ngoba bangawenda kuze kuphela umnyaka kuphela lo nyaka solo sende ma strategy solo kutawulo. Kwigcina langa kimi nhlonishwa indzaba ye health. iyabasilonza ngiyeva cishe konke eMaswati sibayena. Namhlanje uNankula ngasitshela ukuthini maybe through minister wakhe ukuthi sesikuphi nekwenda sure ukuthi umuntu nakaya esibhedlela lomuhla uphuma nalo iphilisi elifanele. Kuyama kuloko sesikuphi mhlonishwa nalabo lababonakele ukuthi size sikhala ngalolu hlobo silila labo lababange lokukhala lekubonakala solo bayachubeka bayasebenza nahulumende basibangela izinhlungu kungabonakala ukuthi bendiwani. Kukhona inhlongo sithembisa wona ukuthi masinyane nje nabo laba kukhona laba tabu bakhulunyiswa ngabo. Ngiyabonga.
Your Excellency, Thobeka Manyathela from the Times. Kutaba kuncane kakhulu ndvunankhulu. Ngitawuqala nje ngithinse kancane nge-environment ndvunankhulu. Sike savakashela ngala Green Chat ndvunankhulu, and I think one of the important aspects of government is about environmental protection. So would you say ilapha Green Chat mining cause phela ilapha Maloloja, is it not undermining efforts of government because it is a nature reserve and environmental have raised a lot of concerns, but from what we are seeing, seemingly there is some mining that is still continuing there. So what would be your take there?
This is on the expectations. It is extremely important that all of us, when we come out of this place, we come out jubilant, excited, that government has good intentions. Can you imagine? In fact, if you look at the old strategies that we have in most organizations, you will find that it's only a documentation of what has been done, of what can be done. Whether you sleep, you wake up, or there's a useless leader there, it's going to be done. Is that what you expect us to do? No. We want our plans to be ambitious. At any case, they will not just thumbsucked. What I speak is not thumbsucked. I speak the mandate that we received from Eswatini and from the throne. If you think that creates high expectation, too bad. That is our mandate, and we will pursue to pursue the mandate. Otherwise, we will have to sleep and not come to the office. Arrest by ACC, it's your own opinion. We know that the Times has always been negative about anything that happens in the country. We don't expect anything positive. I'm saying this because I mean you have to get what you give me. Let's see. Arrest. I am of the view that ACC is not working. It's your own opinion. It's negative. Disappointed by lack of planning by executive school. It's your own opinion. Take it. Good.